If you run into any issues throughout this process, then please just reach out to me through email and I will get back to you immediately and we will resolve this immediately. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you have Google Maps downloaded on your phone, Google My Maps, and Google Drive downloaded on your phone. The first thing you're going to want to do is just open up your Google Drive and just confirm that the map is actually there in your Google Drive. That way we know for sure that it's been shared with you and you have access to it. To actually use the map before you go to whatever area on the map to explore, you're going to want to open up Google Maps. It'll look like this. To actually access the map, you're going to want to go down to the bottom here under your saved locations. Scroll all the way to the bottom. And then in the bottom left hand corner you're going to see an icon that says Maps. Go ahead and select Maps, and at the very top or somewheres in there you will see the New Brunswick Scenic Locations map that I have shared with you. Go ahead and click on that map and you will see all the icons within the map show up. Then down at the bottom here it says View Map Legend. Go ahead and click on that, and here in the map legend you can toggle on and off all the locations that you want or don't want to see, whatever your preference is and where you want to go to explore or see. So for example, let's just say that you want to only see New Brunswick waterfalls. So you're going to go ahead and deselect or toggle all these icons off so that it is just showing the New Brunswick waterfalls. And now this next step is really important. Don't select close. You're actually just going to want to select the back button and then go ahead and select the back button again. And then if you just go back down to explore here in the bottom left, it will pull up the map and you will see all the waterfall icons that we previously chose show up on your map. So whichever one you want to see or you want to explore, just go ahead and select the icon, and then in the bottom here you'll see that it shows what the waterfall is called, and you can actually just select directions here and it will give you directions to the waterfall. So now all you have to do is get in your vehicle and just press start and it will tell you how to get there. So once you've actually gone to the destination and you're done exploring, you'll still have all these icons shown on your Google Maps, which can become an annoyance sometimes when you don't want to see all these icons. So to get rid of that, all you have to do is just go back down to saved, down here at the bottom, scroll all the way back down to Maps again, select the New Brunswick Scenic Locations map, go back into the map legend and just go ahead and toggle all of the locations off. Just like I'm doing now, I'm just going through toggling all of the locations and icons off. And then again, you're going to not want to select close. You're going to want to just select back here at the top left. And then you want to select back again here at the top left. And then once you go back down to explore in the bottom left, it will show just the map, your regular Google Maps without any of the icons. There's still flagged icons here on my map shown, but that's just because those are my own personal saved locations. But for your map, nothing will show up. So that's how you use this digital map on your smartphone device to help you actually get directions to the locations. To just go through it one more time, you're going to open up Google Maps. You can go to the bottom here, saved, click on that, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see Maps in the bottom right hand corner. Select that. Go ahead and navigate to the New Brunswick Scenic Locations map. Select that. It will initiate all the icons on the map. And then the bottom left hand here, you're just going to choose View Map Legend and toggle on or off whatever locations you do and don't want to see. You're going to select back here at the top left and then you're going to select back again, and then one more final time, just press explore in the bottom left hand corner, and then you will see that your map just shows the icons that we chose. And then just simply choose whatever one you want to visit and select directions here at the bottom left, and it will give you directions to the location. So now you can just pack your bag, get in your vehicle, and drive to the location. If you guys have any issues with the map, for whatever reason you can't get the map to show up or you can't download it, whatever the problem is, just feel free to reach out to me, email, anytime, and I will get it resolved for you immediately so you can get access to the map. Thanks again so much, guys, and go ahead and watch the other video, how to use on desktop, and I'll explain in that video how you can use this map on your desktop computer through Google Earth.